In this problem, we have $100 at the end of each year for the next 6 years. The interest rate is 15%. Find the future value and the present value of these cash flows. Usually, when we are asked to find the future value first, what do we have here? Is it a single cash flow? Is it multiple cash flows? And if so, is it an annuity? It says $100 at the end of each year for the next 6 years, which tells us that we have 6 identical cash flows of $100 each. So back to my first question. When we're asked to calculate the future value, what does it mean for which year in the future? Typically, when it's not specified, we mean for year 6, the last year with the last repeating cash flow. So we need to find the future value 6 years from today. And the present value is typically for year 0, for today. Let's draw a timeline first. 0, which is today, and then we have years 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. $100 at the end of each year. So the first 100 is at the end of year 1, then at the end of year 2, then 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have a total of $6 $100, and we need to find their combined present value and their combined future value. Let's start with the present value. Essentially, we need to discount all of these 6 identical cash flows one by one, individual present values, and then add them up. That would be their combined present value. How would we do it in the financial calculator? Let's bring it up, turn it on. Let's make sure everything is clear. I press second, plus minus, enter. Let's start. What is $100? This is our repeating dollar amount, repeating payment. We press the PMT button. Before that, we set it to a negative value. So I pressed 100, plus minus, and then PMT. Now it's saved as payment. How many of those do we have? 6. I press 6, N. What's the interest rate? 15%. I press 15, IY. And I want to compute present value. $378.45. $378.45. So this is my annuity present value. Now, similarly, we want to find individual future values at the end of year 6 and then combine them. That would be annuity future value. Okay, let's do it in the financial calculator again. Let's clear everything and start from the beginning. Our payment is $100. 100 negative PMT. We have 6 of those. I press 6 N. The interest rate is 15% per year. I press 15 IY. And what I want to compute now is the future value. I press compute FV. And I get $875.37. $875.37. This is my annuity future value at the end of year 4. Now, what kind of annuity is it? Remember, we have 2 types of annuities, an ordinary annuity and an annuity due. This is an ordinary annuity. How do we know? Because our payments are at the end of each year. If this were an annuity due, the problem would say at the beginning of each year, and then the calculations would be slightly different.